Imagine walking through the Amazon rainforest when suddenly you see a river that's boiling. Not steam, not an illusion. This water is so hot it can literally cook anything alive. This is Shanay Dempishka, the world's only naturally boiling river. Its temperature reaches 93 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Fahrenheit. But here's the weird part, it's nowhere near a volcano. So where does the heat come from? Scientists believe underground geothermal cracks heat the water, but for the indigenous Ashaninka people, this river is sacred, known as the boiling river of the soul. Be careful, any animal that falls in gets instantly cooked. But the real mystery, some say, something lives in these scalding waters. Want to know what it is?